Hi, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm just gonna show you some random stuff. Like, it's been so windy out today. If you watch this video today, then you'll understand. Like, look over there. Earlier, it used to be so windy. And, like, outside at school, it was really windy. We all were terrified because we thought trees were gonna fall down and everything. And also the fence broke out back. I'm going to show you that. Okay, viewers? But first, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm just going to show the viewers the fence that's broken. Can you see that? Outside? Like that broken fence over there? Sorry if you didn't see that because I couldn't see the camera while it was right there, okay? Okay?